What is up, guys? Welcome back to another one of my YouTube videos. Now, in today's video, I want to teach you or tell you how in 7 months I built a successful videography business. Okay guys, so when I say success, I don't mean I'm a millionaire. What I mean by success, or what I define as success from what I've done, I created a videography business from absolutely nothing. All is what I had was a camera, had some very basic equipment and a lot of determination. Now, what I mean by success again is I actually, was able to financially support myself, and I am very comfortably now. I've got myself a 2-bedroom apartment with extra office room. I have an office space. I also rent a car. I also go on nights out. I eat out quite regularly. So obviously defining success in somebody's eyes can be a lot different. I'm nowhere near where I want to be, but I want to teach you and tell you how in the last 7 months I did exactly this to get to where I am. Okay, so first of all, guys, what I did when I obviously moved to Marbella is I started off coaching, fitness coaching, and obviously I went solely online from PTing, but honestly, it never really satisfied me enough to want to pursue it. I got to a certain level and I just never really got past that level, and to be honest, deep down, I just knew that when I was working with different clients, I just didn't really find it super satisfying in any way, and in the end, I ended up saying to myself, is this what I really want to do? So, what I did, I had a basic Sony camera, and obviously I had some basic experience because I used to film my own content. So what I did, I went around the gym, I started to network because I didn't know anybody, and I honestly just started talking to everyone, telling everyone that I'm a videographer or I'm getting into videography, and I asked a lot of people if they wanted a free video. I also went around to different businesses. I actually reached out to about 100 businesses and I got about 2 replies. So what I ended up doing, I posted this actually in the Facebook group, a local Facebook group. I said, guys, I'm a videographer starting out. Would anybody like a free promo video? All is what I want is credit, and if you can refer me to your friends and family or customers, that would be amazing. So that's what I did. So I ended up putting about 50 to 60 hours worth of free work into the first few months of the business. So what essentially that did was build my portfolio, which is number one, super important. Build your portfolio, because if you don't have a portfolio to show anyone, no one's gonna buy into you. Second of all, I was able to network. So I obviously got all of these contact details from all of these people. And obviously, as you know, when you've got them details, let's say you do a video for them for free and they're really happy with your work, then what are they gonna do when they want a paid video or when they want more work? They're actually gonna say to you, okay, I really liked your work the first time. I like the fact that, you're getting your name out there and you're putting your business first. So they'll essentially think of you as the first person they want when they want a video. So after, I'd say 2 months, after earning hardly any money, just enough to survive, I then started to get a few inquiries. I basically started promoting loads of stuff on my Instagram. And obviously, once I started to build that portfolio, I had about 15 videos fully stacked on my Instagram page, as well as loads of nice pictures. And then as the season started to develop, that's when I really took the leap, and that's when I was like, right, you know what? And then I eventually just stopped coaching completely. And this was about March 2021. And then as soon as I started to get one client, people can now see that you are a videographer in this area and you are willing to work hard and the quality of your content is good. One bit of advice I would give to people is don't spend too much time stressing about the equipment that you've got, because I started off with a really basic setup. Now, obviously, it all does come down to how well you can edit and how well you can film, which will determine how good your video is. But essentially, you just need to create a video for a customer that works and that sells what they're trying to promote. So that's when I started to notice more and more clients coming in, when people could see that I am actually making a video that is selling their product so well, and then they just decided, you know what, this is actually a good guy, I'm gonna refer him. And then over the past, I'd say June, July, August, it has been insane. No, from May to August, it went insane. Obviously, I upgraded all my equipment. I got a lot better at editing. I got a lot better at filming. I made a load of connections. So the kinds of people I've worked with are football players from the Premier League and the Championship, huge restaurants and venues over here, day traders, social media marketing agency guys, e-commerce guys. Like, honestly, the people that I work with now is so diverse, and I am starting to niche down the type of client that I am working with now, but that's took a long time. So all is what I would say with the advice that I can give is, when you're starting out, I know it's always important to niche down to a specific kind of industry. I always thought that fitness was going to be the industry that I worked in the most, but honestly, I found the customers and clients, like a lot of them end up dropping off because they just lose the motivation. You know, I found clients that know that they're going to get a return on investment on the video are the ones that usually carry on and continue to use your services. For instance, if a fitness influencer is building a YouTube channel and they're spending £1,000–2,000 per month, then it's likely that they're not going to continue that because they're not going to see a return on investment for a long time. But that's more in depth and that's not what I'm here to talk about. But so you see what I did, guys. So from the start, what I essentially did was build a portfolio, and that was done by reaching out to locals, reaching out to businesses, reaching out to everyone on Instagram, write a really nice message, kind of see which ones bite and see which ones don't, which messages work, and then you can change it a little bit. And then the ones that really want a video for free will get back to you. Now, don't let them take advantage of you, but just do enough for them that you know that it's gonna be worth it. Don't do too much where they think that you're gonna continue to do it. Always over deliver, but don't keep over delivering, you know? Do it once, smash it, and that'll work. And then number two, I also posted in Facebook groups, like I said, that really helped. You know, I put out a message saying, guys, I am gonna get a video out there. If anyone wants one, just let me know. I had about 100 people reply to me. Again, choose wisely. Don't just pick everyone because you'll be snowed under with the work. But if you pick the ones that you think actually might benefit you, maybe a big following on Facebook and stuff like that, they're usually the better ones. And then also just general people around your area. If you're in the gym, go and find someone to film. Go find your mates to film. Just like look for inspiration on Instagram and find like videos that really do well, performing well, like reels and like TikTok videos or Instagram TV videos, and then be like, right, I'm gonna try and replicate that. I need someone who's gonna be my model, and then find a friend that won't mind doing like, you know, a fitness workout or whatever they wanna do, or find like a hot girl or a guy and do a photo shoot for them for free. And trust me, most people want stuff for free, so why not do it, you know? And then once you've got that portfolio, then you just focus on promoting it. All right, you just hashtag, you tag the locations. Again, you know, when you're doing outreach the second time for paid work, you can actually tag these videos in the message. You'll be like, I've just recently done this project for this hotel, for example, and it went really well. If you'd be interested in potential videography work, reach out to me and I'll help you out, and just stuff like that. So one thing that I want to say for this is do not be afraid to work for free, okay? Make sure you've got a bit of a source of income elsewhere until you can grow this, but working for free was the best thing that I ever did. Like I said, I put in so many hours, and trust me, once you get your first client, the next one, the next one, the next one, before you know it, you'll have a full-scale videography business, and you trust me, you can quit your job, you can leave that 9 to 5. Now it's a hard graft, but I don't feel like I work anymore. I sit in this office, I make content, I speak to clients, I go out on days out, I go out on boats, I go out on jet skis, you know, I travel around, I go into the UK next week to travel with the Cannon Run guys, you know, I'll be going to Dubai soon, so there's so much opportunity that can come with it, all right? So, guys, I hope you took some value from this on how I built my videography business. And obviously, if you are an upcoming videographer and you're looking for advice, then reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to help you out. In the future, I'll probably end up coaching people as well. But for now, if you want some free advice, like I said, free work, I'll give you advice. I'll give you some steps and some pointers. All right, guys, have a great day. Like and subscribe the video if you found it helpful. Drop a comment below as well. And don't be afraid to reach out to me on my JB Media page. All right, guys, see you soon.